Just 3 months.
Okay. Are you proper
Hmm.
using? Um, and are you this app is the proper using? Yeah, sometimes skip.
Skip.
Okay. How was your experience this app?
My experience
Yeah.
and this app
Yeah.
on this app very help me to learn English every day,
Okay. Okay.
every time. I can meet and much many new friends, just like you. You're
Okay.
from India.
Yeah.
You are from India,
Mostly, which country peoples mostly connect with you?
right? Slowly.
Mostly, which country peoples connect with you? Mostly,
Yes.
which country people connect with you?
Oh, India, China, Morocco. Yes, three countries always meet with me.
Okay, okay. Mostly, which time you use this app? Mostly, which time using this app?
Oh, every night, every night,
Okay,
every night. Because uh, in the morning and after afternoon, I'm working.
okay. Are you working person?
Yes, I'm working.
Okay. Which kind of do you work? Which
Hmm?
which kind of do you work?
Oh, I am an employee.
Please tell me about something in your work.
Mm, I am. I work uh, in the company, which one of big company on my country,
Okay,
in my country. And I am a staff administrator, staff professional, a
okay,
consultant.
okay. So why do you using this app? Any specific reason? Why do you use this app? Any specific reason?
Yeah, the, which one of
Okay,
I use this app to learn English,
okay,
to
okay,
improve my English skills.
okay,
So I use this app.
okay. How many language do you speak?
Mm, Korean, Korean language, Japanese language, uh, French language, and other language.
So which language you mostly better way speak?
Better I use English.
Okay,
Prefer I use English every day. So because English is language, international language in
yeah,
this world. So you're always to learn to return.
okay.
Right?
You ask me any question?
The to process to improve English our English skill
Yeah.
every day.
Okay, yeah, I'm fine the every day my routine and after the wake up and I reading practice and the 20 and 30 minutes and using this app in the proper and 5 and 10